In a town, 25% of the residents own a cat, 55% own a dog, and 30% do not own either animal. I'm going to draw a Venn diagram to describe the situation and then answer the questions. So first of all, let me draw the box. I'm going to have two circles, one for cat, one for dog. The problem told me that 30% do not own either animal, so I'm going to put a 30 out in the soup. You could write it as 0.3 if you want, but I'm just going to assume that the universe is 100% instead of making the universe 1 and using decimals. Okay, now I need to figure out how many own both cats and dogs. So if 30% are already used up, then that means the union of cats and dogs, so all three of these spaces, here, here, and here, all of those should total to equal 70, but you can see that they're going to be more than that. So if we have 25 and 55, we end up getting 80. So that means that 10 are shared cats and dogs. If 10 are shared cats and dogs, then that means that 15% own cats only. And then if 10% are shared cats and dogs, then 45% equals dogs only. So there's my Venn diagram to represent the situation. Now let's answer the two questions. What is the probability that a randomly selected resident owns a cat given that they own a dog? So this is a conditional probability because that word given is in there. So we translate it to cat given dog. That means we need the probability of a cat and a dog divided by our new universe, which is the probability of a dog. So we are now in our dog universe here, just this circle. So that means our new sample space, or the denominator of our fraction, is going to be 55. And the intersection is 10. So that's the probability that a person owns a cat, given that they already own a dog. For part 2, they ask, what is the probability that a person does not own a dog, given that they own a cat? So probability of the complement of dog, given that they own a cat. So again, it's a conditional probability. Our universe this time is cats. So probability of cat owner. And then the intersection is going to be not dog and cat. So in this case, our new universe is the cat circle. So that's just this one here, this whole circle. And so the denominator of our fraction is 25. The numerator of our fraction is going to be in that yellow circle, how many people don't also own a dog. Those would be the 15 people that only own cats. So that is the probability for not owning a dog, given that you already own a cat.